Cody, don't fall. It's like a... Wow, that's a lot.
What do you think of my airplane?
Yeah.
Here's my...
Don't smell very nice in here, does it?
Well, it's like... Wait, it's a museum, isn't it?
It smells like dead body.
Oh, God. It's like where this like...
Did it go live?
No, it's not live.
Why did it go live?
No. This is the machine of it. This is the machine of it. Is this a warplane or what?
Air Force, yeah, Royal Air Force.
Oh, all of them. Just here in the UK, yeah? Hi?
British, yeah. This is one off the Royal ship.
Wow.
It's got a missile below it there. Got a missile underneath it.
Mm-hmm.
And the missile?
Where?
And below, yellow.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's a helicopter passenger must know this cave. Roads of the emergency exit. This is the story of it. This is all a warplanes of the Royal Navy in the UK.
There's a little one in there. A little one down below.
No one my Facebook.
Cougar. The Cougar called the Campbell aircraft that called
Yeah?
formed in the late 1950s to build an improved version of Benson
Mommy?
gyrocopter. Gyrocopter?
Like,
This was built at Weston Superman.
Is it? Look how long is the tail of the helicopter. It's long, isn't it? The tail of the helicopter.
Asia.
I like to go now.
You like to go in there? You like to go to ride in there?
Yes.
Darling ko, they said he like to go in there. It's amazing, isn't it, darling? Yeah, this one is all of them.
No, that's Royal Air Force, that one up there.
Oh. This one is the Wessex, built in 1963. Could they do not fall?
What do you want to write?
It's like, darling, it's like scary, isn't it? That's the first airplane, I think. What? It's like a boat airplane, flying boat, flying boat. It's called Benson B8 gyro boat. Darling, maybe somebody there. Somebody in there. Oh, look at that. There's a Royal Navy uniform.
Well, the pilot was up in there. The pilot climbs up in there. And then there's six
Oh.
states.
Cody, no. No, pull it. He pulled it out. How many?
Huh?
Oh, look at that. That is a bum, isn't it? Bump?
What happened to my phone?
Where's Evelyn?
Yes,
Oh, they're gone.
Yeah, where's that
Oh, that is broken, look.
one? Barry. Evelyn, Barry.
Where they went then? Oh, look at that. Miniature. This one is Watkinson's HG.
What's this one? Here.
That is a tiny
So,
helicopter. Tiny helicopter. Royal aircraft.
here's one.
Don't pull that, baby. Look at the tiny helicopter there, Cody. This one. Look at that.
Like, you sit on here. Sit on now.
No, you're not allowed to sit on it.
Barry.
That's called the Barnett
Evelyn.
G4B. Autogyro?
Autogyro, yeah.
That is a big plane. That one, darling.
What?
That one is a big plane. Cody, do not go there.
Like
That one is a
rescue,
big one, isn't it? It's a rescue plane.
Okay.
Cody, right here.
It's been kept in good condition before it was retired. Look.
Yeah, beautiful.
What again?
We're gonna leave it. Cody, stop it. Come on. Wow.
You got to go down that way. It's the wrong way.
Where?
Follow that way.
That's one way.
Huh? No, we got to follow the other way.
Okay.
Oh, oh,
Good bearings there. What's your back? What's your back?
look, 9. Oh, let's see. Where's the money? Let's see.
Put it all in here.
Cody. Look, that is really tiny. No, it's not being made in it, darling. It's not being made, that one. That one, the tiny one.
Might be a training thing.
Yeah. Darling. Oh, Cody, there's a pink panther there, look. Inside. Look, have a look. There.